Hello everyone, this is Eddie the Magic Monk doing another complex number tutorial today on the division in polar form. So last lesson you guys have already learned how to multiply in polar form. So make sure that you know how to multiply before you come and learn how to divide, otherwise you'd be really confused. So this was the general formula that we used last lesson for multiplying. So if Z1 is equal to R1 cis theta 1, where R1 is the magnitude and theta 1 is the argument, and we have another complex number Z2 where the magnitude is R2 and the argument is theta 2, then if you multiply the two complex numbers together, you get another complex number where the magnitude is the product of the two magnitudes, and the resulting argument is the sum of the two original arguments. Okay, so let's say we call our result Z3. And let's say that we want to go backwards to find Z1. So let's make Z3 R3 cis theta 3. Okay, now if we want to go back and find Z1, what we would do is we would go Z3 divided by Z2, right? Because Z3 comes from Z1 times Z2. So if we want to go backwards to find Z1, we would have to go Z3 divided by Z2. So let's have a look at how we can do that. Now Z3 has R3, which comes from R1 times R2. So if R1 was missing and we want to go back to find it from R3 and R2, what we would do is we would get R3 and we would divide it by R2, and that will give us R1. And then similarly, if we have theta 3 and we have theta 2 and we want to know what theta 1 is, we would go theta 3 minus theta 2. Okay, so that's how you divide complex numbers in polar form. You divide the magnitudes and you take away the argument. Okay, so let's define two complex numbers. Let's define Z is equal to 10 cis 40, and let's define W as 2 cis 10. Actually, let's do 15 so you're not confused. And let's find Z over W using our formula. Okay, so in case you forgot what the formula was, I'll copy it down again. Okay, so have a go at it and come back when you're done. Okay, so the answer is simply 10 divided by 2, which is 5, cis, and 40 minus 15, which is 25 degrees. Okay, thanks for watching the tutorial on